We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. It's easy to see why this one is one of our favorites, because we work so hard on improving our processes and providing impeccable service. Not only is great feedback appreciated, we're thrilled to share it. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.